Hey guys, my name is Maddie and thanks for tuning in to this episode of AFI DIYs. Now we're no stranger to making shampoo here at AFI, so today we decided to share a gentle but cleansing formula for pets. This mild, all-purpose pet shampoo is great for washing out dirt out of fur without irritating pet-sensitive eyes and skin. This project is super simple, so let's take a look at the recipe. To complete this DIY, you'll need a mixing bowl or glass beaker, a stirring utensil, a pump bottle for packaging, protective glasses and gloves, a pH testing device or strips. To make about 8 ounces of shampoo, you will need 78.5% or 6.28 ounces of water, 20% or 1.6 ounces of Cola Det, BSC and D, 1% or half teaspoon of preservative, 0.5% or 1/4 teaspoon of fragrance oil, sodium chloride as needed to adjust viscosity, citric acid 50% solution as needed to adjust pH. Out of the thousands of fragrances here at AFI, you're sure to find the one that's perfect for your needs. For this pet shampoo, I chose chamomile. This is gentle and soothing and perfect for any pet. Now because this product will be applied directly to the animal's skin and fur, we checked the IFR limits to make sure the fragrance we chose is skin safe. You can find all of our fragrances and their IFR limits on our web store. Now don't forget to put on your safety glasses and gloves before you begin. Alright, now we're ready to get started. First, combine the water, Cola Det, BSC and D into your mixing container and stir moderately until homogeneous. Add the preservative followed by your fragrance and continue mixing. Finally, finish off the pet shampoo by adjusting pH to a target of 6.5 to 7.5 with a citric acid solution. Once the target is reached, it is ready to be packaged. We went with a pump bottle for ease of use. This pet shampoo only costs about $1 to make, allowing it to be sold wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $4 to $6. If you like this project, give our whole DIY playlist a watch for tons of other product ideas to add to your line. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to help support AFI, and we'll have more content just like this coming your way in no time. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and thanks so much for watching. And until then, bye!